Boa noite!
É com grande gratidão que eu estou aqui no Thanksgiving, podendo participar desse evento lindo que busca resgatar gratidão, sorrisos, união, família. E essa festa está muito maravilhosa.
É uma noite necessária, não é? Entre a gente. Agradecer é evoluir. E hoje é uma noite onde juntos vamos celebrar a felicidade de estarmos juntos e de poder agradecer. Agradecer tudo que a gente conquistou, agradecer tudo que a gente vem galgando na vida e também agradecer a presença dos nossos filhos aqui na escola.
And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's an American holiday. It's very American. It actually came from Europe, but it was first celebrated in the United States when they were still colonies, both in Massachusetts and Virginia. The very, very beginning, as people were arriving on the continent. But the first time it became an official holiday was actually in 1863. When Abraham Lincoln declared the last Thursday in November the celebration of Thanksgiving and made it a federal national holiday. I think that's really interesting because, of course, the United States is in the middle of the American Civil War. So you had brothers fighting against brothers, families fighting against families. You had the nation torn apart, and you wanted a way to bring people together and to make people recognize that even though it was a time of great strife and sadness, it's a time of war, there are still things to be thankful for, and there are still blessings in our lives. And so that's where it comes from. In the United States, we all come together around a table. We have turkey, which is an American bird. We have pumpkin and cranberry and other dishes that come from the United States, that come from sort of that region. And we give thanks for the blessings in our lives together with our family members and close friends.